Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back. We are on day 17 out here at our good old winery build. If you guys haven't already been following along, go ahead and click the iCard in the top right hand corner, or the pinned comment on this video will have all the links from day 1 through 16. You guys can click there and watch all of them. So it's been raining out here in California, luckily, because the fires down south were able to get taken care of. We got a little bit of a mud pit going on. Nothing too crazy, but it gets pretty bad out there. We're gonna get the rest of this shear panel wrapped up. We only have one more sheet to drop in. Fox is gonna take care of that right now. After that, I'm gonna hop up top and do truss layout for this unit here. This building is completely ready to fly trusses in at that point. Quentin's working on doing a good cleanup this morning, getting this place spotless. So in a previous video, I talked about the compressor we were using. We have a 5.5 horsepower bored out Makita that we use. We also have this. It's an old M-Glow electric, works killer and doesn't take gas, which is good. That Makita can go through some gas pretty quick. It's anywhere from a tank to a tank and a half a day. That gets costly over time, especially with gas prices being nearly $4 here in California. What am I gonna do? I am freezing. I had a sweatshirt yesterday. Haha. I took it off early. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna go over truss layout real quick. So we don't want to hook shear panel. We want to hook framing. Since it's 24-inch on center, we're not going to mark 24, we're going to mark 23 1/4, 24 3/4. From there, we'll get some lines going. A lot of people say you don't need to mark out both sides. It's a lot easier too. It's a lot easier to understand. It doesn't take that much time either. All I'm going to do is take a hand drive. Hook that, 24 and go. How's it going, Foxy? All right, we'll keep on going now. So I can only get so far with these braces in the way. I'm gonna have to hop to the other side and finish layout that way. From there, we'll hop over here, match layout that way. This building is ready for trusses at that point. Layout's done all the way down this way now. Over there is done as well. So what we're gonna hop to now is doing some plumb braces. I'm gonna bust out the laser, plumb up some of these walls. We'll tack a brace on the inside of them and then shear panel from the outside. Overall goal is to get this whole place wrapped by today. It's a quick process. We can slap 10s up right off the ground. Fox can go behind us, nail off. We should be able to get this place almost sheared today. We'll see though. So the builder here requested that all anchor bolt plate washers were within a 1/2 inch of shear panel. Well, when the concrete guys went to go lay out all their anchor bolts, they put the anchor bolt within a 1/2 inch of shear panel. So like that one doesn't work. That one barely works. That one doesn't work. That one doesn't work. Our fix for this is using slotted washers. The downside is these cost quite a bit more and they don't always work.
Still sticks out like an 8.
It's like that one there, even with the slotted washer, it still doesn't work. So what's gonna have to happen here is before we're out of here completely, we're gonna go through and do what we do on every build and do all of our Titans and get this place dialed in for inspection. Everywhere that we have an anchor bolt that doesn't work out, we're gonna have to put a Titan instead. If you want more info on Titans, I will have a link down in the description below. We love them. We'd do that over anchor bolts any day of the week. So this rake wall here is showing we're out about a 1/4 inch, so we're gonna get this thing racked right now. We've got some big structural screws. We're gonna get this thing plumbed up, throw those screws back in the brace, start sheeting on that corner. By the time we get to this brace, it'll lock everything in. Right now we're a 16th off. I'm gonna double check this side and make sure we didn't go way too far out. Screw that thing off, we're good. Within a 16th. We're good to go, you guys. Within a 16th on this front wall. Too much. Let's go ahead and put a nail in the bottom right corner of the sheet. It's getting a bit later in the day. We were going to stand the small wall that I've been talking about standing for a while now, but unfortunately my pops went over, started up our reach lift, and we blew a hydraulic line. So we have to get that taken care of and get that fixed. That'll be fixed tonight. Tomorrow we can get that wall up over there. Now it's supposed to rain for the next 3 days straight, but we're gonna try and work as much as possible.
A few inches later.
So it's getting dark right now. Got everything loaded up in the trailer. We got quite a bit done today. Pretty stoked. We were only expecting to have 2 days of work this week due to rain, but it's looking like we're gonna be able to work next couple of days. That'll be good, keep our progress going. So we got these sheets on behind me here. We sheeted this rake wall as well. This guy's done. Looks good. Quentin cut everything today. We wanted to teach that kid how to frame on this project, and he's doing good so far. Being trusted with a saw is something that doesn't come easy, but he's getting it. We got all these sheets up. Tops are nailed off all the way. Bottoms still need to be nailed off. Fox and I are gonna start on that first thing tomorrow morning. Overall, we made some good progress. All right, guys, we're gonna get on out of here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you are looking forward to winning from our giveaway. Days 1 through 7. 7 of you guys are getting hooked up this Christmas. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. I will see you guys on day 17. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bang on.